This project is assigned by my science teacher, Khadija. So shall we start? Materials needed are water, cooking oil, sugar water, food coloring, a jar. The objects needed are a piece of little sponge, a metal screw, a plastic bottle top, a grate, but actually I don't have a grate, so I use a tomato cherry. First we put water. Then take a little bit of food coloring. Then we put the water, sugar. We use the measuring cup. Wait a little bit more. Next, we put cooking oil. Okay, then done, isn't it nice, guys? 3 types of liquid separate. We need to wait it until 18 minutes. They have different density, so they don't mix. We can see that the syrup has the highest density, so it sits down on the bottom, while oil has the lowest density. It rises to the top. Then we put the objects inside the jar to see what happens. It goes to the bottom. Wow, it goes to the middle, but it's supposed to go up. Oh, it goes there. How about the sponge? Wow, the sponge just go up. But I thought the plastic bottle will sink. I like the color of the water because it's pretty, see? It's following the color. From the jar, we can see the metal sink, which is already dense, sink to the bottom, while tomatoes sink in the water layer in the butter, oil, and sugar syrup. The plastic bottle top, which is denser than oil, sits on the water, while the sponge is sit on the oil. Clearly, oil is denser than the sponge. Pretty cool, isn't it? Oh, I forgot to introduce about my sister. My sister likes to watch my videos. Hi, my name is Yusra. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, stay home, stay safe during the MCO. Happy Easter!